Create a sleek and secure French twist on short, shoulder-length hair. For this hairstyle, you will need a 4-inch Frenchy Grip-Tuth Comb, a Magic-Grip Hairpin, and a small hair elastic. Start by gathering your hair into a low ponytail. Ensure the position is one that allows you to best capture all of your short layers of hair. Secure with the elastic. Create a pocket to the side of the ponytail and tuck all of your hair in. Roll the hair inwards to conceal the hair tie. Hold in position and with the Grip-Tuth Comb, use the teeth to pick up some of the outer layer of hair. Flip the comb and push firmly into the twist, trying to secure as much of the rolled hair with the comb teeth as possible. Depending on your hair length and layers, there may be some shorter sections at the base that won't be secured by the comb. Gather and twist these sections together and secure with a Magic-Grip hairpin, pushing up into the base of the twist. With the right tools, even short hair can be turned into a classic French twist updo. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.